Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And here we are, episode 5 of Hangar Flying, June 4th, 2021. Truth be told, we didn't get to work on the Project Tiger at all this week. However, we've been working to get ready to work on the Project Tiger, and to that end, I want to show you some of the fun that I've been having so I can work in the hangar again. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So here's what's been going on with the exoskeleton. They brought in their worldwide director of training, Lena, and she is showing me how a new way that I need to learn how to walk in this. And the trick is I'm going to have to move both of the poles at the same time. It is a more efficient, better motion, and I'm still getting used to the machine. They made several adjustments today to the angle of the foot pad, to the stride length, to the stride speed, and some other parameters as I'm learning up to speed on it. And the reason why I want to do this is because, as you can see from my actions right now, there's no way I should be near a rear airplane walking around in a hangar in this condition. But I am getting to where I can stop where I want to stop and start when I want to start, and we're working on it. And in a couple of weeks, hopefully, or maybe it'll be a couple of months, do not know, I'll be coming home with the exoskeleton, and then Luann and I will be taking daily walks and doing more with it as part of regaining some of the independence that I have lost. So I'll let you continue to watch this. I'll throw a little music in the background, and I'll add some commentary where necessary, so stay tuned. Here's a little tip for you. Very few of you in the Grumman world know this about me, but many of you know that I used to be an athlete. I danced ballet professionally and as a hobby for 44 years, and that gave me my balance and my tone. Some of you know that. Some of you found out about it in '97 at Bowling Green, but there's a little treat for you. Y'all have a good day.
Ready right now? That's it. That's your home. Sit. All right, here we go. We're sitting. Okay.
And so just to close up this episode, here is a nice engraved lead crystal paperweight. It weighs about 6 pounds. Ask Shop Monkey how much it weighs. He helped carry it today. But it's engraved inside a wheelchair and a guy in the Rewalk exoskeleton. And there it is. So folks, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.